Hi ASL Ninjas! Today I'm going to show you how you can use a rubric to help you complete your assignments. You can see right now I'm on the Modules tab. My view looks a little bit different than yours because I'm a teacher, but your modules and the flow of the course information should look pretty much the same. I'm going to go down to an assignment that I think would be helpful to see a rubric for in order to complete your assignments. Most of our assignments will have rubrics, with the exception of any assignment that's a quiz. Now remember, quizzes aren't actual quizzes. They're just multiple choice computer-based assignments, but the system flags them as quizzes. All right, so I'm going to click on the SOC assignment. That's one of the ones that I feel like students have a hard time remembering what needs to be in the SOC assignment. So I wanted to make sure that I show you how to view a rubric for this. Again, you're not going to see exactly the same thing that I see because this is a student teacher view. But if you go all the way down, you're going to see the rubric. You'll have the different criteria that you're going to need to include, and then descriptions of how many points you will get based off what you include for that criteria. So for example, creativity and visuals. Remember, these are for SOC assignments, not for Cornell notes. But you'll see in the descriptions how they apply to Cornell notes. If you want the full 10 points, you need to include 3 visuals for the SOC, or the student followed proper formatting for Cornell notes. If you need 7 points for this assignment, or this criteria, student included 2 visuals, or student is missing 1 formatting element for Cornell notes, and so on. Sometimes the rubric doesn't load automatically. There will be a button here like you see with these 3 dots. If you click on it, you're going to see some options, and one of the options is going to say Show Rubric. That's how you're going to manually get the rubric to pop up if it's not already there. All right, students, thanks so much for paying attention to my little vlog here. If you have any questions on how to use your rubrics, let me know.